in canva.com, and you can just go to create a design and you can just put in logo. It comes over there. Now after doing that, come here, rename it, let's say design logo. After renaming it, go and choose any template that you feel is better for you. Well, I am impressed with this. Choose on the free ones that you see free. Some are paid, but this time we want a free one. So after choosing that, well, I don't want this. Could be you want this, but I don't want it. If you want it, just go on and, you know, Control A or Command A and Control All, select all, and then you can just go and change something. Could be you want to change the words. It's fine, just go on. You can also put in some other words here, but I just don't really want this. So I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna delete this. Away. Could be I want that word, but I don't want it, so just, you know, you can just play around with it. Well, I'm going to change some colors here. I can go up with red and this, and go up with purple. How about purple? How is that? That's really cool to me. And design, I'm gonna leave it white. I can also change the font style to any that I really want. The laser or the telegraph, whichever really. Just choose any that makes you happy, and yeah, just use that. But I am excited with the default one, so I'll go with that. Now I am not really satisfied with that word, so I've deleted it, and I just want to make this as big as possible. This is the logo that I showed you guys, so I want to make it as big as possible so it can fit within my style. And after doing that, you can just go to download, and I'll get that PNG, and then I'm gonna go back to remove. I'm gonna go to remove big, which removes background from any image. I'm gonna drag and drop this in here, and yeah, it's done. So I'm gonna go to download. Here we are in our channel. I can just go to YouTube Studio, and then go to customization, branding, and this is the picture here. Just go to upload, and I did this design logo too. Was it that? Well, let me take this without a background. Design, yes, let me take this. Okay, so there you go. Then publish. Now you can go to view channel, and there you are. There you go. You've got it right. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.